Hey there. In this video, we're diving into JavaScript classes and inheritance. We'll define a vehicle class with basic properties like make, model, and year. Then we'll extend that class with a car subclass that adds more functionality. Let's get started and build a working example together. Our goal is to create a parent vehicle class that stores general vehicle data. Then we'll make a car class that inherits all of these properties. The car class will also store how many doors it has. Finally, we'll override the method to include this new data when displaying details. Here's our class setup. The vehicle constructor takes in three core properties and has a method to display them. Then the car class uses extends and calls super to inherit from vehicle. We also override the display details method to add one more property, doors. We create two objects, one for a generic vehicle and one specifically for a car. The vehicle's instance logs it, make, model, and year. However, the car instance adds one extra line, the number of doors. That is how inheritance and method overriding works in JavaScript. Here's what prints out in the console. Notice that both objects output the base data, but only the car includes the door count. That's because the car class extends the base method using super and then adds its own info. This is a great way to customize subclass behavior. Inheritance makes your code cleaner and reusable. Instead of duplicating logic across many classes, you centralize the core code. You can build other subclasses like truck, motorcycle with minimal effort. This principle is core to object-oriented programming in JavaScript. Great job! We've now created a class hierarchy using extends. We saw how to override methods and add subclass specific behavior. You can now apply this pattern to more advanced problems. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.